Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a microphone. This is a Shure SM58. Now, if you're in the market for a microphone, this is probably one of the best entry point microphones there is out there. It's an XLR. You can use this with 48 volt Phantom or not. Either way, you don't have to. You can use it with a cloud lifter or not. It's super versatile and super awesome. High quality, made out of metal. I mean, you really can't go wrong. The head comes off here. You can see how you can twist it here. You can see everything really nicely made. Right here is the actual pickup point here. Basically, this is your head. This is almost like your filter or your pop filter. These things are fantastic. You can't kill these microphones. They last forever. They're just super strong, super industrial, and they're just really, really well made. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm going to talk to you in this in 1 second. I want to put it through my Focusrite 2i2 without much processing, running around about 20 dB. And just clean processing. I want you to hear how this one sounds. So I'm just going to plug this in right now and let's get this set up. Nope, sorry about that. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, now it's not on, right? You can hear that now. I'm going to turn up the gain here. I'm going to turn up the second channel. Here we go, and then we can hear that now. There you go. So I'm going to shut off my other microphone. Let me just turn this one right down to nothing. And now I am talking to you on this microphone right now. So I think this thing sounds absolutely fantastic. What do you think? I think this is probably a winner. If you're looking for a high quality, inexpensive microphone to start out with, this one will work for you. I love the sound. I love the deepness. I love the feel like vocals. You learn to sing. This thing is fantastic. You can't kill them. You can take them with you on the road. You can travel. I absolutely love it. So what do you guys think about the sound? I think it sounds fantastic. I'm really right on top of the microphone, and you can see it's hardly distorting at all. It's super clean. Again, really, really nice. So what do you guys think? Leave some comments down below. Follow the channel if you love this type of content. I think this is fantastic. Let me go back to the other microphone and let me go back to that one. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back to my other microphone. Let me just shut this other one down. No feedback. So what do you think? Let me know what you think about the audio in that. That is absolutely fantastic. I love this microphone. Unplug that real quick. Take that apart. Again, I do own this microphone on my own. This was not sent to me by Shure. I own this one myself. So this is a fair and transparent review. I think this is high quality, great for vocals, great for picking up drums, music, guitars, pretty much anything. It's a workhorse. These things are workhorses. They work fantastic. They got a great sound. If you love this kind of stuff, I'm going to definitely highly recommend this 1000%. Again, XLR input, you can see right here. Super easy to use. You can use it with phantom power, without phantom power, with the cloud lifter, without a cloud lifter, directly into an amp, whatever you need to do. These things are workhorses. They're nice and heavy, all metal construction. And for the price point, you really can't go wrong. So I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10, especially for starting out. I'm going to be doing a bunch of other microphone reviews, so stay tuned, follow the channel. I'm going to give you some of my input, my advice, and definitely this one is 100% of a winner. No question about it in my book. What do you think? Let me know. Leave some comments down below. I think this one is fantastic. 1000%. I love the Shure quality. Shure is like one of the top brands as far as industrial and high quality microphones. There's no question about it. Don't waste your money on the cheap ones. Get yourself a quality microphone. If you're going to do any kind of podcasting, singing, or anything at all, this one is the way to go. Appreciate it as always. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Let me know. Also follow the channel for more.